Ladies and gentlemen, step right up for the cyber spectacular of the century. Welcome to the Cybersecurity Circus, where data breaches dance like digital disco balls, hackers juggle passwords like pixelated clowns, and grandmas unleash their inner ninja against phishing scams. Forget popcorn, grab your firewalls, because this ringmaster's got tricks wilder than a rogue AI on a sugar rush. First up, the octogenarian acrobat. Grandma Gertrude. This 84-year-old cyber warrior spins and deflects phishing emails like a bingo card champion dodges bad bingo puns. Turns out, nothing smells fishy to Grandma quite like free dentures from Prince Charming. So listen up, young hackers. Grandma's teaching the internet a thing or two about old-school cyber savvy. Next, the simian sleuths, the coconut crackers. Researchers train monkeys to pick digital locks using coconuts. Yes, you read that right. Turns out, primates are way better at password cracking than we are. So maybe ditch those boring password 123s and embrace the banana bonanza 69s. At least it'll give the AI something to crack their beaks at. But fear not, the future's looking Fort Knoxian. Scientists have cooked up quantum-proof encryption, the ultimate padlock made of dark matter. Even the most skilled digital locksmith couldn't pick it in a Googleplex years. Just don't lose the key. It's probably hiding in a parallel universe under a pile of Schrodinger's cat hair. Now, for the main event, the cat video carnivore. Turns out, those adorable pet videos are hiding malicious code like hairballs under the couch. They lure you in with fluffy kittens and boop the snoot antics, then bam! Your data's doing the meow meow shuffle for some shady hacker. So remember, folks, even the internet's cutest critters can pack a digital punch. This, my friends, is just a taste of the cyber circus. We've got AI Houdinis, meme-tastic malware, and enough digital drama to fill a server farm. So buckle up, tighten your firewalls, and get ready to laugh, learn, and dodge the cyber clowns. Remember, in this digital jungle, you're the performers. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and always keep your grandma close, especially if she knows her way around a rolling pin. Now, let's raise our digital popcorn and give a roar for the Cybersecurity Circus. The show's about to begin. Round 2 of the Cyber Spectacular, folks. Buckle up as we dive deeper into the digital menagerie. First, let's talk about the AI Houdinis. These digital magicians are learning tricks faster than rabbits multiply in hats. They're cracking CAPTCHAs like pickpockets, snatching wallets, and impersonating voices so convincingly you'll think your grandma's gone full AI and started ordering Bitcoin on your phone. Don't worry, we've got A-whisperers working on sniffing out these imposters, but until then, trust your gut. If your grandma suddenly wants to invest in Martian real estate, maybe call her before hitting buy. Next, the meme-tastic malware. Forget rickrolling, these hackers are rickrolling your entire system. They're hiding malicious code and seemingly harmless memes, GIFs, and even those innocent-looking baby Yoda-sipping tea videos. One click, and your computer's doing the Macarena with all your data. So remember, folks, laughter's the best medicine, but when it comes to online humor, keep your skepticism sharper than a well-honed meme. Now, for the pièce de résistance, the quantum conundrum. This one's a brain twister even for the tech-savvy folks. Imagine a padlock made of the fabric of reality itself, so secure that even a black hole couldn't crack it. That's what quantum-proof encryption is aiming for. It's the Fort Knox of data, the digital holy grail. But it's not just a shiny trophy. It could revolutionize everything from healthcare to finance, keeping our most sensitive information safe from even the sneakiest cyber specters. But let's not forget the human element in this digital circus. Sure, AI may be doing backflips in the servers, but it's still us humans pulling the strings. That's why cybersecurity awareness is crucial. Think of it as training your digital immune system. Teach your grandma about phishing scams, show your kids healthy online habits, and remember, even the strongest padlock needs a vigilant locksmith. So there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of the cybersecurity circus. We've laughed, we've learned, and hopefully, we've all gained a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance between digital progress and online safety. Remember, stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, keep the popcorn flowing. The show's not over yet. And now, a final curtain call for the real stars of the show. You, the internet citizens, the data defenders, the digital acrobats in your own right. By staying aware, taking precautions, and spreading the word, you're the ones keeping the Cyber Circus entertaining, not terrifying. So, let's give ourselves a round of applause, because in this digital jungle, we're all performers, and the show must go on.